Haven't seen you for a while. Choose the next. Let's assemble the dining car. Hooray! Let's load the dining car. Keep it up. Let's load luggage into cars. We need to wash the dining car. Hooray! Let's assemble the train. Go on. Amazing! The train has arrived. Let's conduct passengers to their seats. The station and the railroad are ready. Now everyone can travel. We need to assemble the dump truck. Done! Let's fuel the dump truck. Press the pump. Done! Let's prepare a crushed stone pad for the railroad. Let's wash the dump truck. Don't stop. We need to assemble a truck. We did it! Let's load the truck. Ready. Let's lay sleepers on a crushed stone pad. Let's weld a crack on the truck. Don't stop. And now let's grind the seam. Ready. Choose Use the same color as in the cloud to paint the stain. Ready. We need to assemble the dray scene. Don't stop. Now let's load the rails onto the dray scene. We did it! Let's lay the rails and fix them. Let's wash the dray scene. That's all. We need to assemble the minecart. You're doing really great. Let's load the parts for the crosswalk into the minecart. Amazing! Let's install a semaphore and make a crosswalk. We need to wash the minecart. Keep it up. Let's assemble a pile driver. Let's fuel the pile driver. Press the pump. Ready. Let's hammer piles for the station building. Let's wash the pile driver. Ready.